Alright guys, we're live here for... The header is wrong.
Yeah, that's right, Mike. It's the 100th season of the NFL, but we're going to talk about something that was not a part of the first 99, and it's courtesy of this play that I'm sure you're all very familiar with. You go back to the NFC title game, Saints, Rams, and now for the first season, pass interference calls and non-calls.
Trying to figure out how to...
Question is, what should we expect early on here, Mike?
I don't remember how to... Oh, maybe it's this. There we go.
Highly unlikely that replay review is going to pick up the flag. But when it's not called and it's challenged, clear and obvious evidence of a player significantly hindering an opponent is what will trigger a ruling from replay review that interference happened, Chris.
Yeah, listen, I'm worried about it. I really am. I think we hit the overreaction from a non-call.
There we go.
And a really big
Just wanted to hit the... Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Sealed case, as you can see up here on our left, which would be your right. Topps actually did a good job sealing these this year. It's way more tape than normal, to be honest. Usually it's just a piece of tape. They actually double... Oh, and there's a big old... It's triple boxed, actually, with a topper and a bottom, so that's sweet. It's crazy. This boxes are almost as big as Chronicles baseball. Yet you're talking Chronicles has an absolute boatload of cards. And this one has 12. Oh, Meek Mill's on... That is such a troll move, isn't it? Isn't the game in Chicago... The game's in Chicago, and the Eagles eliminated the Bears from the playoffs, and Meek Mill's performing? And he's playing the Eagles song? Am I the only one that's finding humor in this? This is the song that they had at their freaking Super Bowl ring ceremony. I'm going to spare you from singing because I love this song. I'm a Sixers season ticket holder, and they play this during some of their hype videos. Here we go. Luminaries. Just an unbelievable product. I don't know if they're putting anything on top of the boxes this year. You know, on top of the card or whatever you want to call it. Welcome, guys. Thanks, everybody, for coming hanging out. I've been looking forward to Luminaries for quite some time. So let's see what we got here. I'm going to guess. So from guys who've seen this before, is it boom just right there? We'll see if they cover it up this year or not. Wow, this is unbelievable. Let's see, I'll tell you right away. Okay, cards cold. Cards, number 1. Hit Kings at a 15. First one's going to be Adrian Beltre. Shout out to Hopper. Shout out to Hopper. Not a bad start. Future Hall of Famer, in my opinion. Number 6 of 15. 199 hits one year. Nice. Cool. Thanks, Robin. Appreciate it. Didn't know. First case that I'm seeing this year. Oh boy, we got a book, guys. Right off the bat, it's not in a sealed case, it's in a slider case. See if it gives anything away from the front. I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Holy crap. Wow. Boom! Hank Greenberg, 1 of 1, bat knob, cut auto. Oh my god. Justin Williams, I don't know if you're going to see another one, brother. That's going to be a better pick than this. Oh my God. Wow. That's absolutely incredible. Wow. Oh my God. Bat knob, cut auto, Hank Greenberg. Little weird that they didn't put a picture of Greenberg on here, but would you guys agree it's a little weird? Would you guys agree it's a little weird that there's no picture of Hank Greenberg on the Hank Greenberg card? I don't. Most likely true, Axe. I could see it falling to you for sure. Wow! Second box. Unbelievable, guys. Unreal. Well, we're back to encased cards.
You're on the new team now. Go.
Wow, Twins. Rod Carew out of 5. Rod Carew out of 5. Rod Carew, 3 of 5. 239 hit season. Wow, nobody's saying anything. Holy crap. What an unbelievable card. Imagine getting that. I wonder if Justin's live right now. Good luck, everybody.
Here, eat this. Creamy Snickers. You could use a little smoothness.
Wow, that's really weird. Another Rod Carew. This one is a relic, numbered to 15. Back-to-back Rod Carews. Imagine if this was the Twins PYT. Travis Novak is going to kill me. He has him in the next case. Unreal. 4 boxes in, we hit a Hank Greenberg. We hit a Hank Greenberg bat knob auto book. I'm not kidding you, Lestergen. Hank Greenberg 1 of 1 bat knob auto book. Jesus God. The first card was Adrian Beltre. Second book card was the bat knob auto. San Diego. Boom! Fernando Tatis Jr. out of 10. When did he have 42 home runs? In the minors? Must be. There is ink on the back of the card, guys, just so you're aware. Looks like they did some stacking, or that's how that happens. Fernando Tatis, non-relic auto out of 10. Can't wait to start watching football, guys. I'm so stoked. The off-season's been really long. The Eagles had an absolutely crazy ending to their season. I mean, they're in the red zone, about to score, beat the Saints, go on to the NFC Championship game, and the ball went right through Alshon Jeffrey's hands. Good luck, everybody. I don't know what else we can hit to cut a case with that, but let's do it. New York Yankees. That's Matsui. Hideki Matsui out of 15. 14 of 15. Hideki Matsui. So far, I would say the Beltres are better than the Carew, but Carew's a Hall of Famer. So far, our worst card is Rod Carew, 2 of them, which is crazy. I don't know, Eric. Eagles have 4 or 5 running backs. I'm an Eagles fan. I didn't take anybody on my fantasy team from the Eagles because of that. They have way too many running backs. But I could see Sanders. You know, if he breaks out, something happens. You know. looks like this one's going to go sideways. That's Reggie, Mr. October. Oh, look at those patches. 15 of 15 old school patches. Oh my God, look at this. This product is incredible. Wow. Yeah, Caru's not going to be signing much longer. His signature's getting bad. Not trying to be mean, it's just not good. You can tell. Signature not looking good, just like when Musial was getting old. 5 left. I mean, you can't go wrong with a Hall of Fame auto. Expensive box, an expensive spot to be in, but it's worth the shot in my opinion. Oh my God, is it Angels? Oh, it's not Trout though. Vlad Guerrero Sr., 4 of 10. Angels. Not going to the Angels, but in the Angels uniform. Yeah, Hank Aaron's getting bad too. He was in a wheelchair like 10 years ago when I saw him. Maybe he had something going on. Product is just amazing, guys. I love it. I could see, I mean, I know Dynasty sells so well because it's so popular, but just seeing this stuff, Dynasty doesn't have any bat knobs, I can tell you that. Good luck, everybody. 4 left, including this one. Athletics again? Wow, these cases are weird. Another Reggie Jackson. 2 Rod Carews, 2 Reggie Jacksons. Whew. Wow. Got a Reggie patch auto and a Reggie relic auto. A lot of Hall of Famers. I mean, Beltre's going to be a Hall of Famer. Vlad, I don't think Vlad won't make the Hall of Fame, right? Hideki Matsui won't make the Hall of Fame, right? Did Vlad make the Hall of Fame? Am I losing my mind? I don't remember. Maybe he did. If we hit another Reggie, that's going to be absolutely insane. But we won't. I know who that is. Truax, you know who that is. Aaron Judge. 1 of 15. 1 of 15. Aaron Judge, products loaded. Boom. I need Aaron Jones to go off tonight. I need Aaron Jones. I got him in 2 or 3 leagues. I need him to just go off. They do not want to come out of these little sleeves very well. They're just packed in there like crazy. Good luck. 2 left. It's going to be really weird if we get another Reggie Jackson, I'll tell you that. Oh my God. Wow. This is weird, guys. This is more reason to buy into PYT if it's my opinion. More of a risk, but more of a reward. Vlad to 5. Vlad Sr. to 5. 2 Rod Carews. 2 Reggies. 2 Vlads. So if you're a gambling man, it looks like their cards running together. It can be a risk in PYT, but it also could be a gigantic payoff. Last box mojo. Guys, just like I said in the thread, the pictures of the cards are going to be posted in the thread. You'll be tagged, or you can go ahead and make your pick when your turn comes up. We just ask that other people don't comment. Like we said, everybody collects for a different reason. So don't try to influence people's picks. Let them go. So will we get another double? It's another team we've hit already, and I think I know who it is, but it's a different player. Big Poppy in the Twins uniform. Number to 15. 3 of 15. David Ortiz. Justin, are you possibly in the chat, man? Justin? We're going to do a hit recap here. See, the problem with these is they do not stack. Truex, to tell you the truth, I have no idea who the last two guys... I don't know what the last two guys are going to end up with. It's sitting here thinking. I guess Vlad and... Here's your hit recap. I'm not going to take it out again. Hit a Hank Greenberg, bat knob, auto, 1 of 1. A little weird of a card without the picture of Greenberg, but it's okay. Hideki Matsui to 15. Fernando Tatis to 10. So everybody knows there is some ink on the back of the Tatis. The way they stack the cards, this tends to happen. A Reggie Relic Auto to 15. A Reggie Patch Auto to 15. That's really sick. A Aaron Judge to 15. Rod Carew, Relic Auto, 15. Vlad Sr. out of 5. Vlad Sr., Relic Auto out of 10. Adrian Beltre out of 15. Rod Carew out of 5. And a David Ortiz out of 10. Going to start this up, guys. We need to get the basketball filled, if not already. I'm just going to stop the recording. We're going to stay live. Last time I